Preparation of aseptic plant. Surface sterilization of plant tissue may cause some deleterious effect because most of the sterilant are toxic chemicals. Seeds can more or less resist such deleterious effect due to the presence of its seed coat. So to avoid the surface sterilization of plant tissue, seeds are surface sterilized and are cultured on simple basal nutrient medium. Seeds in culture germinate and give rise to an aseptic seedling. Explant from such seedling grown under aseptic and controlled conditions are the most suitable material for culture and need no further surface sterilization. So the photograph showing the procedure for preparation of aseptic plant from seed. So first of all, wash the dry seed thoroughly with tap water. Then dip the seed in 5% tea-pool solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Decant the tea-pool solution and wash the seeds again with tap water and finally with distilled water. After that, rinse the seed with 70% ethyl alcohol for 1 minute. In front of the laminar airflow, transfer the seed into an autoclave bottle and pour 0.1% mercury chloride solution so that the seeds are immersed. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, decant the sterilant and wash 3 to 4 times with autoclaved distilled water. Then transfer the seeds from bottle to autoclave petri dish with the aid of sterile forceps. Open the closure of the culture vial containing the basal nutrient medium and flame the neck of the culture vial and in quick succession transfer a few seeds onto the medium. After that, incubate the seed in continuous dark either at room temperature or at 25 to 28 degree centigrade. Now aseptic technique. Precautions must be taken to prevent the entry of any microorganism at the time of transferring the surface sterilized explant on the nutrient medium using the sterilized instrument. For this reason, manipulation and transfer should ideally be carried out under aseptic condition. Starting from surface sterilization to inoculation, all operations should be done aseptically. Procedures of aseptic technique include put all the sterilized articles like media, instrument, etc. for inoculation on the glass rack of the incubation chamber. Alternatively, if laminar airflow is available, keep all the article on the table of the airflow cabinet. Put on the switch of UV lamp of the inoculation chamber for 1 hour before work. Always wear a clean apron and use a mask. Clean the hand with the help of alcohol and dry it. Flame the neck of culture tube or flask and in quick succession remove the plug of the glass vial. Transfer the tissue onto the medium and replace the closure. Each time the instruments are passed through the flame of the spirit lamp.